Another day, another story in Manhattan, staying right in front of the Empire State Building. But this line, I don't want to stay in this line. And I used before to visit the Empire State Building. But my next stop is the vessel at Hudson Yard. And I think it's a great place to make photography.
Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. It's great to be alive and love. Good morning, sun. Good morning, sun.
So, B&H has closed for almost 10 days. Makes me a bit sad. But on next week, on the 23rd, they will open again. So the spaceship has landed at Hudson Yard. It's the vessel. It's a very awesome place. You can book also tickets in the internet, and the entry is for free. It's amazing. Let's go to the B-roll again. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and hope to see you tomorrow. Thanks, appreciate, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.